Alright guys, what I have here is my brand new Seagull S6 original, and the point of this demonstration is I'm going to be showing you how this sounds compared to my Mahogany Washburn that I have. And I gotta tell you, I went to Guitar Center a few weeks back and was playing with a bunch of different guitars. I actually just wanted to pick up a few picks, and I came across the Seagull and I started playing it, and I had to have it. The way it plays, the way it sounds is nothing like I've ever had before. And I even played a bunch of Martins at the store, and to me I really could not tell a difference at all. And Martin to me wasn't worth the cost, and this is just as good as a $600, $700, maybe even $1,000 Martin. The workmanship is great on this, and unbelievable guitar. Alright, so what I'm going to do to demonstrate is we're going to play Dust in the Wind. This is the chorded version. So Dust in the Wind on the Seagull S6 original. Now we're going to switch to the Washburn and take it from there. Alright guys, well you heard the S6 original Seagull, and this is my all Mahogany Washburn acoustic. Very nice guitar. So what I'm going to do, again, is play Dust in the Wind, and you guys can hear the difference between how the all Mahogany sounds compared to the spruce, actually cedar, Seagull. There you go. See, there you have it, the Washburn and the Seagull S6. demonstration of the Seagull S6 original. What I'm going to do is play Hotel California, part of it, and you guys can give a listen to how the Seagull sounds. So let's give it a shot and see how we can do here. Sound of Hotel California with the S6, and gives you guys a good idea of how this guitar sounds. And like I said, I think it's an amazing guitar. Once again, Seagull S6.